What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play 7 Rings by Ariana Grande. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're using 4 chords. The first one is a C sharp major, and the little picking pattern that starts at the beginning of the song is your index finger on your 4th fret on your A string, and then your pinky finger or your ring, whichever is more comfortable, on your 6th fret on your G string. And you're just alternating picking your A string and your D string in the beginning. You do that twice. Second chord is going to be an A major. You're going to put your index finger on the 5th fret on your low E string, and then your pinky finger on the 7th fret on your D string. You alternate picking those back and forth, but the second time you pick your D string, you give it a quick, which is 7 to 6 on the D string. So that looks like. Your second chord's an F sharp minor. Index finger 2nd fret, low E string, pinky finger 4th fret, D string. Same way, you're just alternating picking those. That's your E and your D string. Then you have a little pickup note to the next chord, which is the 3rd fret on the E string, and you're going from 3rd fret to 4th fret on the E string. So you're going from your F sharp minor, put your pinky on the 6th fret on your D string. You're only plucking those E, D, E. Instead of doing it 4 times like you do throughout the rest of the chords, you're only doing it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you're playing the 3rd note, the 3rd fret of your A string, another little pickup note, and then back to the beginning. So slowly, this entire thing looks like this. Now that's the picking parts for the verses of the songs. For the rest of the song, you can just strum through the chords. A strumming pattern that you can use is a simple down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, throughout all the chords. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now these all are bar chords, so they may be a little bit trickier for you. It's going to help develop your hand strength. For the entire C sharp minor chord, you're gonna bar the entire 4th fret with your index finger, starting on the A string. You don't have to hold down. You can bar the entire thing if you want, but you don't have to hold down the E string, the low E. You can just start here. Then you're putting your ring finger on the 6th fret on your D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret on your G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret on your B string. That's your C sharp minor. Your A majors, you're barring the entire 5th fret with your index finger. Your ring finger is on the A string on the 7th fret, pinky finger D string, 7th fret, middle finger G string on your 6th fret. Move that entire formation down to the 2nd fret and take your middle finger off, and that is your F sharp minor. And then move it up the exact same formation up 2 frets to the 4th fret. That'll be your G sharp minor. there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys, and make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.